Hello everyone, welcome to Growtree Online Academy. I hope you all are doing great. In this second part of isotonicity video, we are going to discuss the methods which are used for the adjustment of isotonicity. So the first question which arises here is that what is the need for adjusting the isotonicity and in what type of solutions we need to adjust the isotonicity. So the answer for this question is for parenteral solutions and for those solutions which are used for ophthalmic and nasal use, we have to adjust isotonicity. This is done because if they are not isotonic to the body fluids, then they can cause hemolysis of RBC, which can result in tissue damage, pain and discomfort. So in total we have 4 methods of adjusting isotonicity and they are divided into 2 parts. The first part is the class 1 methods and the second part is the class 2 methods. Under the class 1 methods, there are 2 methods which are cryoscopic method, which is also called as freezing point depression method. Under the class 2 methods, we have White-Vincent method and Sproul's method. The difference mainly between the class 1 and class 2 methods is that in the class 1 methods, generally adjusting substances such as NaCl or dextrose are used, and in the class 2 methods, water is used for adjusting the isotonicity. So first of all, we are going to discuss cryoscopic method, which is also called as freezing point depression method, and it is based on the colligative property called freezing point depression, and it is denoted by delta TF. F is written in the subscript. So there is this basic concept which says a solution which is isotonic with blood must have a delta TF of minus 0.52 degrees centigrade. So for a solution which is to be instilled or injected parenterally or ophthalmically, the freezing point of that drug solution must be adjusted to this value, which is minus 0.52 degrees centigrade. So under cryoscopic method, we can calculate the amount of the adjusting substance which is actually needed to make the required drug solution isotonic. And we have here a very simple formula, which is percentage weight by volume of adjusting substance required is equal to 0.52 minus A upon B. Here A stands for the depression in freezing point due to 1% weight by volume of drug solution, and B represents the depression in freezing point of 1% weight by volume of adjusting substance. And this formula is generally used for calculating the amount of adjusting substance for 100 ml of solutions. So let's understand cryoscopic method with a very simple example. So here's a question which says, what is the concentration of NaCl which is required to make 1% solution of cocaine HCl isotonic with blood plasma? And we are given along with the question that freezing point of 1% weight by volume solution of NaCl is minus 0.576 degree and freezing point of 1% weight by volume cocaine HCl is minus 0.09 degree centigrade. So we are going to solve this question with the formula which we had discussed in the previous slide, and the formula is as follows: minus 0.52 minus A upon B. The value of A here would be 0.09 and the value of B here would be 0.576. So after the calculation, the correct answer is 0.746. Let's discuss one more question which is related to cryoscopic method, and it is slightly different from the previous one. So the question says, what is the proportion of NaCl required to render 1.5% solution of drug isotonic with blood plasma? And we are given that the freezing point of 1% weight by volume solution of drug minus 0.122 degree and that of NaCl is minus 0.576 degree. So we are going to solve this question with the same formula, that is 0.52 minus A upon B. But if you had noticed in the formula in the previous slide, here A was for depression in freezing point due to 1% weight by volume of drug solution. But in the question we have to calculate it for 1.5% drug solution. So what we will do, 0.52 into the value of A is 0.122 into 1.5. Here 1.5 is the concentration upon 0.576. So after the calculation, we have 0.585% as the correct answer. So option B is the correct answer. Next method is sodium chloride equivalent method, and it comes under the class 1. So sodium chloride equivalent of a drug is the amount of sodium chloride that has the same osmotic effect as that of the 1 gram of drug. For example, if osmotic pressure of 1 gram of drug is equal to osmotic pressure of x gram of NaCl, then this x will be the sodium chloride equivalent of that drug. In other terms, E is the value or E is the amount of NaCl that will result in the same lowering in the freezing point as that of 1 gram of drug. The E values can easily be found in the literature, but alternatively they can also be calculated by this one very simple formula, which is E equals to 17 into L iso upon M. Here M is the molecular weight of the drug. The L iso values can also be easily found in the literature. You can refer to this simple table for noticing down the L iso values of some commonly used adjusting agents. So we have a very simple formula for calculating the quantity of sodium chloride which is required to make 100 ml of solution containing x gram of drug, and it is 0.9 minus x into E. Here x is the weight of the drug in grams and E is the sodium chloride equivalent. Let's understand sodium chloride equivalent method with a simple numerical. So the question says a solution contains 1 gram of ephedrine sulfate in a volume of 100 ml. What quantity of NaCl must be added to make the solution isotonic? Here we are given with the E value of ephedrine sulfate, which is 0.23. So we will apply the formula, which is 0.9 minus x into E. 0.9 minus 1 into E is 0.23. So it would be 0.9 minus 0.23, and the answer is 0.67. The third method which is used for adjusting the isotonicity is the White-Vincent method, and it comes under the class 2 methods. So in this method, the addition of water is generally done to the drugs to prepare an isotonic solution. After the addition of water, the addition of isotonic buffer diluting vehicles is done to bring the solution to the final volume. So here also we have a very simple formula, which is V equals to W into E into 111.1. Here V is the quantity of water in ml which is required to make the solution isotonic. W is the weight of drug in grams. E is the sodium chloride equivalent. Let's understand this method with a simple example. So here's a question which says how to make 30 ml of 1% solution of procane HCl isotonic with body fluids. So we had the formula V equals to W into E into 111.1. Here W, that means weight of the drug which is present in the solution, would be 1% of 30 ml, and it would be 0.3 grams. So by putting the values in the formula, we will get V equals to 0.3 into 0.21 into 111.1. And after the calculation, we will be having 7 ml as our answer. The last and the fourth method which is used for the adjustment of isotonicity is the Sproul's method, and it is the simplification of White-Vincent method. In Sproul's method, the values of V for drugs of fixed weight, that is 0.3 gram, are computed and constructed into a table. And here you can see we have the values of V for different drugs like aminophylline, amphetamine sulfate, antipyrine, and so on. This was all about methods of adjusting isotonicity. I hope you liked the video. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.
This video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can also suggest us any topic of your choice by mentioning it in the comment section.